Hello, everybody. Welcome. Oh, it's Rush. It's Rush. It's Rush, bro.
Door 20 in the dark room.
Oh my gosh, dude.
It's C. It's C.
It's not secret.
You meanie pie.
Really?
We're dead. Oh!
This is unfair.
I know. That was no closet. There was no closet. We have to
Seriously.
turn on. Bro, we have to turn off few places to hide.
Come
Turn off
on.
few places to hide.
Screw you. No, I'm kidding.
Do you agree with me? Let's turn
Oh,
off.
yes,
Places
I
to hide.
agree.
I know.
Okay, fine. But what were all the other ones, okay?
No, it's only at 50%. That only
Dude,
lowers
why is
the
my
safety.
ping getting higher? Now, come on. Okay. I turned on, less. I turned on wear and tear. I turned on wet floor. I turned on a few places to hide. I turned on injuries. I turned
Turn
on.
off few places to hide.
I turned on wrong number. I turned on itchy, nosy. I turned on come back here, back for seconds, and then I turned on watch your step, which is not a good one because it killed me. Okay, let's see. I turn on. Dude, why did I just get kicked out of my own elevator?
Yeah, Elf Flash doesn't like you.
Now come on, hurry, join.
I'm joining. No! I farted poo poo. Farted poo poo. Alright, only 3 people, right?
Only 3 people, alright? He's gonna leave at the last
Only
second,
3
isn't he?
people, right?
Only 3 people, alright?
Only 3 people, right?
Only 4 people, alright?
No, not 4 people. Yay!
Go Gangnam Style.
I don't know what
This is
kind of
Billy
stuff
Billy
that is.
Beaming. Artin Carton Billy Beaming. At Ning Ning King then the Gangnam Style.
I can't believe YouTube locked me out of my original account. I can't get my original account back. I have to make a new channel. I am pretty. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, baby! It's big Robux time.
Big rollback.
You are gonna get the biggest Robux ever. Dude, wait for
I'm not.
me!
Oh yeah, I already got the key. We're already at door 2. Better hurry up. Nah, bro really wants to be killed by Void.
I don't want to be, okay? You're gonna get me killed. I hate you.
Hide, hide. Store 6.
Bro, screw you! You could have gotten me killed!
I told you Rush was coming.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I
Okay,
did.
you didn't wait for me. I should have brought vitamins. Okay, the next doors round we play. I promise I'm gonna get vitamins.
Okay, I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you. Fine. See how I waited for you there? Oh. Oh, this bacon guy is rushing. You're gonna get us both killed. This is why I'm rushing.
Man, I hope he steps on a snare and then dies. Okay, I hope he dies the most tragic death ever. And I stole his lighter.
Let's kill this guy with the voice. Bro, he's rushing. He's rushing.
If we all die and he plays again, I promise I'm gonna get vitamins. You get vitamins too, okay? And when I say go, okay? When I say go, go.
No, start killing this guy. He's a boy. Bro, don't. Oh, hi.
I don't gotta hide.
They're gonna die. GG's, bro.
I'm gonna
Alright,
die.
I'm gonna play another round because
What
he
was that,
died.
Brian?
Oh,
What was that? I'm gonna die? What was that, Brian? I can't hear you. I can't hear you over me living.
I said that was a great hiding spot.
No, bro.
It's 17.
Bro, why is my ping 200?
Yeah, what's wrong with 200 MS? Hold up, can you wait for me real quick, please?
He's not gonna wait for you.
I'm even gonna say in chat.
Huh?
Alright, I'm coming. Okay, I'm good.
Hey, dude. Oh, wait.
Alright, I'm back.
Dude, he actually waited for you.
Really?
Oh my gosh.
No way.
Rarest
There are still
rarest occurrence indoors.
it's 16.
16?
Oh.
Screw you, bro. You know that y'all already voided me. And now I'm really slow. Screw you. Next time I'm gonna be sure to bring vitamins. And I'm gonna make your life a living hell. Seriously, bro. Dude, I'm gonna die!
Go ahead and hide.
Oh my gosh, bro! Screw your eyes to the finest, bro!
Imagine we get voided at the last second
For real, bro.
when Rush
Imagine there's
comes.
like 5 doors after door 100, and then like, yeah. But like, bro,
Dang it! I died.
I'll just die for you. Man, of course this kid has to go.
You wanna play something?
Wait, dude, why did you leave?
play again?
Really, bro? I was making a video, and you. Well, that's the end of this video, guys. A moral of the story: screw you.